In this video, I'll be showing how to create a swirl gradient or a circular or a spiral gradient in Affinity. The process is very quick and easy. To do that, I've already had my canvas ready. I'll also make sure the snapping tool is turned on. Now I'm gonna go to the rectangle tool, select that, and draw a rectangle as big as the canvas. Once it's done, I'll grab the fill tool and drag it from the bottom left to the top right. Then I'm gonna click this point and change its color to blue, and this point to purple with a shade of pink. Now I'll switch to the move tool and I'll make sure the outline color is none. Next, I'll press enter on my keyboard to bring out the move/duplicate tool. Now I'm gonna change the rotation to 1 degree and scale to 99.5%. Now I'll enable this box called duplicate, and I'm gonna go to the number of copies and click this little arrow and slide this to increase or decrease the number of copies. While I'm sliding it, you can see the gradient color has turned into a swirl or circular effect. I'll just slide it to the max, which is 999, and I'll click OK. You also can see the swirling gradient appear only within the canvas. If you want to see the whole object, you can press the backslash key to switch. Now the swirl gradient effect is done. So that's how you can create a swirl gradient effect in Affinity. I hope it's useful for you. Thanks for watching, and bye.